Have you ever heard of cadaver bone or donor bone that's used during certain types of surgeries? What is it, and does it really come from cadavers? As a spine surgeon, we do spinal fusions when your spine becomes unstable. Maybe it's from disc collapse, a fracture, or a deformity. And the goal is that we actually take two bones and we try to make them grow together into one solid piece so that painful motion stops. Now, we use something called cadaver bone, and it actually comes from human tissue donation. People that generously donate their bone just like they do their organs, and it can come from living donors, for example during hip replacement surgery when the bone is removed and then donated, or it can actually come from deceased donors who's given consent for tissue donation. It's clean, sterilized, and processed under strict FDA standards, so it's completely safe to use. Now, depending on how it's processed, it can be made into different forms like chips, strips, granules, or even a DBM putty like this. Once it's processed, it becomes something that we call demineralized bone matrix, but it's basically a putty that's full of natural proteins that tell your body, hey, grow new bone right here. And we can take this putty and we can pack it into different types of hardware that we use in the spine, like cages that we put in the disc space. We can pack it inside the cage like that and then put it into your disc space, and it acts as a scaffold for your own bone to go through from one vertebral body to the other, kind of like planting seeds in rich soil. And because it's biologically compatible, using bone like this will allow us to eliminate the need to harvest the patient's own bone, which can cause complications like extra pain or infection. So in short, donor bone is carefully prepared human bone. It's been cleaned, sterilized, and repurposed to help another person's body regrow healthy bone safely and effectively. The more you know.